Two of them. So there are cameras everywhere, like this one for example. So close to this apartment building. You know. I guess they can look straight in your rooms. Now we're going across the street here. I don't really get it why there are so many cameras all over the place. It's weird to see. I'm probably 150 meters from that one camera. Look at here, on the top of this post, there's another one. Here, look here. 20 meters further, we have another one. And this is not even high traffic here. This is just, you know. And then here we're walking right straight toward the next one. On this electrical post right in front of me, there is another camera. So that's three of them. Three of them in about 150 meters, maybe, not even, I think. See? I'm going to try to show you how close they are actually hanging together, all the cameras. So basically you walk into the view from one camera to the next one, basically. So, and here, right in front of me, on this blue sign up here, is a camera hanging. And now I keep on walking to the next street. Well, next street is the same street, but a little bit further down. And again, this camera is hanging right across from an apartment building, and they can see right into those people's houses. I don't know how that is allowed or how they can do that. That's crazy. So here on the left hand side, on this post behind the tree right up there is a camera, and a little bit lower here is another one. It's a very quiet Sunday here today, so there are not too many people out. But here we're coming up to the next camera. First one is hanging right there underneath that light fixture right there, and then the other one is hanging right there. See? So basically they're all over the place. The next two cameras, you can actually see them already from here, but it's not possible to see this on video. So I'm gonna shut it off till I'm a little bit closer. Okay, we're back on, and here we're coming up to the first camera. It's hanging up here on this post, pointing straight towards me. That one. And the next one is right here on this black and yellow checkered post, and it's right up there. That one. There aren't enough warning signs about the cameras, that's for sure. Yeah, but that's a rather love here for signs. So they're going to zoom in a little bit, because there is your next camera hanging from that building there. And then the next one is right here, hanging right here, which I'm zooming in right now. So they're really, really close together. And here we have the next one here. And here in this corner here. So as you can see, later in the description I'm going to tell you the distance, how far they're apart. But I can tell you right now, they're very close. And right here, coming up just around the corner, is another one hanging up here. Right here. I noticed all that when I was doing my pollution sign video. So I saw all these signs for that camera, so that piqued my interest, and then I started to go look for them. So they were that easy to find. They were very easy to find, let me put it that way, because they're all over the place. And here is the next one, or the next two, I should say, because they have one hanging right here, and then right across the street on that post is the other one. I don't know about you guys, but I kind of feel uncomfortable being watched constantly, you know. But everybody can look at it a different way and say, well, it's safe, but I doubt that they use it for safety. But I'll let you guys decide on that. For me, I'm not a big fan. Okay, I think we have seen we have seen enough cameras now. And I'll let you know how many there were and the distance we did.